Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today we're gonna dyno our 1996 Ford Bronco. We've had this truck for a little bit now, and with the recent release at the time of this video of the new Bronco that's coming out, and we thought, why the heck not? Let's throw ours on the dyno and see what it makes. So this truck here, it's bone stock. It's a very clean example of a bone stock 1996 Bronco. It's a 351 Windsor truck with 212,000 miles. Those are approximate. I think it's just a little past 212,000. Again, the truck's bone stock, so stock timing, stock exhaust, you name it, the truck is bone stock throughout the drivetrain, wheels, tire specification. So the 351 Windsor in the 1996 Bronco, they were rated at 205 horsepower and 328 pound-feet of torque. These Broncos were equipped with the E4OD transmission. This is a four-wheel drive model, so we got a transfer case. We also have to run the power through. So the 205 to 328, probably expect upwards of 18% drivetrain loss. That's just an estimate. Of course, we'll see here momentarily. So 87 octane in the tank, has a 355 rear gear, factory tire size of 265, 75, 15. The pull is going to be made in second gear. Third gear is technically the 1-to-1 ratio for the E4OD, but we don't want to have to mess with any of the downshift silly stuff, so we'll put it in second, let it rip. Other than that, I'm gonna make a quick trip around the truck here, make sure we're all good to go on our end, straps are tight, our pickup's good, and then we're gonna turn the juice loose. All right, let's take a look at some numbers. Our 1996, 212,000 mile Ford Bronco made 165, if you round that up, horsepower at about 3,800 RPM and 260 pound-feet of torque at about 3,200 RPM. So quick math, that's about 19% drivetrain loss, which I think is right on par. So if you guys were ever wondering what a 1996 Ford Bronco makes at the rear tire, here you go. We enjoy doing this, we always do. We know you guys enjoy watching this stuff, and if you do, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notifications, that way you're notified every time we release something new. And I guess for all things Ford Bronco, for all things 1979, the present Mustang, SVT lighting, and the occasional Bronco stuff, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.